Good day, campers. Today I'm going to be replacing, recovering, repairing this faux leather trim for what we call the attic. I guess this is supposed to be a loft bed. And just because I want them to match, I'm also going to be replacing the faux leather trim over our entry door. First step is to remove all of these staples, which they seem to put in a lot. I use my Leatherman because it's nice and sharp. Anything that you can use to get underneath these staples. Once I've pulled the staple ends up with my Leatherman, then I just take a pair of needle nose pliers and pull them the rest of the way out. Now that all the staples are out, I can take the fabric and use it as a template to cut the new fabric. So now I've laid this out on the fabric. Now what we bought was a yard, so I had to turn it sideways, but I'm going to have plenty of fabric for the two pieces that I'm doing. I've laid this where it's centered. The nice thing is this board's nice and thick, so my big long staples will work just great. I'll link to this stapler in the description. Doing the corner is a lot like doing a Christmas package. You can, which I did not do, mark where the old mounting holes are. Doesn't matter, they can go any place. So I'm going to mark the center and come in a few inches from each end and make a new hole and install my screws and the snap covers. After that, I'm going to cut a little piece of material and glue it and cover this to match the new fabric. I use masking tape so that there's no marks on my new fabric. I found the center and I come in 3 inches from each end, which is approximately where the original mounting screws were. Now I will drill a pilot hole and install the screws. I'm using Gorilla Super Glue XL. This is a gel. I'll link to this in the description. And what I'm doing is I cut a piece that is just way too big. And then I go around the perimeter with super glue, being careful to not get it on my fingers, which in itself is a challenge. And all I need is a good coat around the outer edge. And then I pull this up and hold it as tight as I can all the way around. And this stuff sets up pretty quick. So after about 4 or 5 minutes, then it should be set up. And once it's set up, then we can take our fabric scissors and cut around and that'll make it ready to install. And the last step is to put the snap covers back on. The procedure for the door trim will be exactly the same. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.